We got this Infinix 40i just launched last month. This budget-friendly phone comes with awesome price tag and is packed with amazing features which we will discover later in this video. First, make sure to subscribe and enjoy the unboxing. We will join you shortly. The starlit black Hot 40i has a dual camera setup encased in matte square glass. The plastic body has premium looks which looks incredibly smooth with metallic side frames. On the bottom there's 3.5mm jack, Type-C port and loudspeaker. The back of the phone has color shifting technology which blends into glittery under flashlight and then into metallic black. The body is not water or dust resistant. There's side mounted power button integrated with Fingerprint Scanner and volume rockers. Out of the box, the Hot 40i comes with proprietary XOS 13 based on the official Android version 13. The online warranty provides one-time screen damage replacement. We were unable to identify if there is any protection glass on the front panel. The 90Hz display panel was really smooth. Hot 40i is equipped with dual flash LED lights, one on the front to brighten up your selfies, quad flash LED on the back for extra bright photos. There is also a 360-degree flashlight mode which turns on the LED on both sides, useful in SOS situations. The peak brightness of IPS display is 480 nits. Later we will compare it with Samsung Galaxy PLS display. Here you can check the speaker loudness of Hot 40i. Speaker is loud enough because of DTS technology. There are presets along with a equalizer. The CPU is octa-core processor, similar to Galaxy A03 and A04. We will cover gaming performance in the next video. The 8GB UFS 2.2 is extendable with virtual memory up to 4GB from your storage. To do that, simply go to MemFusion under the settings. The phone holds 128 gigs of storage, that is plenty enough, extendable with microSD card. The fingerprint scanner is located on the power button, which can be easily accessed by sliding your fingers. The 18-watt fast charger can charge your battery under 2 hours. There is also safe charging technology to protect battery from burning or damages. The 5000 mAh battery can last long enough with 30 hours of video streaming. The 6.5 punch hole IPS display on Infinix 40i and the PLS display on the Samsung Galaxy A03 look similar from different viewing angles. Both have 720p display resolution. However, the brightness level on Infinix had more brilliance. This is mainly due to a different technology used on the Infinix. The Magic Ring on Infinix is similar to Dynamic Island on the iPhone 14, the pill-shaped cutout that hides the camera punch hole, which displays icons on notifications like face unlock, background call, phone charging, and so on. The 32 megapixels wide selfie front cam is the best feature in this price tag. Captures shots with 90 degrees wide angle lens and features various modes such as portrait and the augmented reality shot. However, the selfies were mostly over bright. The 50 megapixels wide angle lens with a focal length of 1.6 aperture captures almost accurate colors. We compare it with Samsung Galaxy's A04 camera that packs similar features. Later, we also test the video quality and super night mode and compare it with others. In the next video, we will benchmark CPU and GPU, that is the gaming performance of Infinix Hot 40i. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Until then, see you next time.